What's your most legendary experience with the butterfly effect? By the time I turned 24, I didn't even want to go out for my birthday, because that meant asking my husband for permission, which meant another fight, which meant holes in the walls and a day long of silent treatment. But my friends wouldn't drop it. They showed up at my house unannounced and dragged me out, because they knew my husband couldn't hurt me if they were present. We ended up going to a seedy little bar that had open